Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures. For the record, today is Monday, January 8th. Time is around 9 p.m. GMT. So here in the lower time frame, we had a nice rally today. So yesterday I explained you that I actually was expecting another low to finish the structure right here because of the support area we are having here. And also the Dow Jones showed an incomplete structure, was missing another low, and the Dow Jones indeed made another low right here. While the Dow Jones was making this low, also the NASDAQ was pulling back, but it could hold the low right here. And so then the rally started from here, which means that the impulse down this structure here was finished right here. And so from this low in the lower time frame, we started a new structure. So this has some implications for the higher time frame. Actually, if we go to the 4 hour, so here, honestly, I'm a bit in doubt now because of the move we are seeing right here, and especially this RSI reading. I will explain you why. So initially, I thought we were working here on a wave 4 down. So as an expanded flat structure A, B, C. For some days, we were focusing here on this structure down to see where the impulse would end. This impulse is now clearly over, so that would mean that the expanded flat structure is over right here as an A, B, C. So that would also mean the wave 4 low is in. However, after a wave 4 low, we are supposed to have a fifth wave with divergence. And for me, it's now already clear if we take out the high right here, this will not be a new high with divergence. So this actually makes that the structure I'm showing here in green is unlikely to play out in my opinion. So it's still on my chart simply because yeah, I have to come up with some alternatives, and for the moment I do not really see in the higher time frame how it could play out. So it looks like something has finished right here. So that our upward cycle is finished right here in 5 ways, as shown in red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But at the same time, this can also not be our fifth wave here, because if we go to the daily, then here we see this fifth wave is ending way too strong. So what I would consider now is from here, we could have a wave 1 of this wave 3. So the wave 3 indicated in green, this could be our wave 1. So then from here, we started a new cycle, and then this has to be a 1, this has to be a wave 2, and this RSI reading has nothing to do anymore with the RSI right here. That would make sense. But then at the same time, this actually has some bearish implications in the near term, because if we did, or if we finished an impulse right here, it means we now need a correction. And on the lower time frame, that would mean that, so we do not have an expanded flat structure, but instead we finished something right here. We have our 5 waves right here, and then On the lower time frame, it means, or what we should expect is after this impulse down, that we get a move up and that we have another impulse down. So these are now my thoughts on the higher time frame. I have to put this into perspective with the other indices, see how everything can align. So I will try to come up with a solution in the next days, or a better count in the higher time frame. But so in the lower time frame, for now, for me, it's clear that we have an impulse down right here. And if I put this into perspective, like if I try to fix this in the higher time frame, then it actually looks quite unlikely that we will take out the high right here. I would rather expect something like corrective structure down. Then this can be a wave A down. Then we can now be working on a wave B. So for the moment, we do not have much data, but like at this very instance, this could be an A, B, C structure, corrective wave up, followed by another impulse down. But this, like I said, I would like to do more analysis, also align with the other indices, to see how this lower time frame information, and especially here on the 4 hour, it is quite clear that we will not end with divergence here if we would take out the high. So this can actually not be a wave 4 anymore. So that's it for now. The next days, I will provide an update. If you liked this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another video on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.